In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recurring tasks in Microsoft Planner. If you regularly manage tasks that happen on a schedule, like weekly check-ins, monthly reports, or daily follow-ups, setting up recurring tasks can save you time and help you stay organized. Instead of creating the same task over and over again, Microsoft Planner lets you repeat a task automatically using built-in recurrence options. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and go to the plan where your task is located. Once you're on the board, select the task you want to make recurring. This opens the Task Details panel, where you can adjust settings related to that specific task. Make sure you're choosing the correct task before continuing, especially if you manage several similar items in the same plan. After the task details are open, look for the Repeat option. This is the setting that controls whether the task happens just once or follows a repeating schedule. Select Repeat to open the available recurrence choices. This is a useful feature for ongoing responsibilities because it helps keep work consistent without requiring manual setup every time. You'll now see several repeat options to choose from. Select the schedule that best matches your workflow: daily, weekdays, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Daily is helpful for tasks that need attention every single day. Weekdays works well for work-related routines that only happen Monday through Friday. Weekly is a good choice for recurring meetings or status updates. Monthly can be used for billing tasks, reporting, or regular reviews. Yearly is ideal for annual planning, renewals, or once-a-year reminders. When choosing a repeat set pattern, think about how often the task truly needs to appear. Picking the right option from the start can reduce clutter and make your plan easier to manage. It's also a good idea to review the task name and due date so the recurring item remains clear and useful each time it comes up. And that's it. Once you've selected the repeat frequency, your task is set up to recur based on the option you chose. This makes Microsoft Planner much more efficient for managing ongoing work and helps ensure important tasks don't get missed over time. If you're setting up multiple recurring tasks, it may help to use clear task titles so each repeated item is easy to recognize at a glance. With just a few clicks, you can turn repetitive planning into a smoother, more automated process inside Microsoft Planner.